Hi guys, good morning. This reading is going to be what is your twin flames message for you? Okay, so what does he or she wants to keep you informed, and what actions they are going to take for the first half of January 2025. Okay, so let us see what does your twin flame want to convey you? What are the messages he is giving you? Could be he or she. It's your twin flames message for you, whomever is watching this video. Wow, Two of Cups. Your person knows this is a twin flame connection, and they also know you are their twin flame. What does your twin flame want to convey? What does your twin flame want to tell you? What are the messages from your twin flame? What are the messages from your twin flame? What does your twin flame want to convey? So let us see each card in detail. Now let us go to each card. This is Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords, what your twin flame is telling to you is always seek for the truth. Okay? So you are thinking something about me and you're keeping on guessing, could this be like this? Could he be like this? Could she be like this? Is it going to be like this? Is this like this? Is it spanning out like this? Instead of keeping and overthinking all the thing by yourselves, just seek for the truth. So if you are thinking something about me, just go back to the memories when we were together and when we had each other for each other. So think all those memories. Think about my actions, what I did. Did I do something wrong, or what all I did was out of love and affection, or all those things? Just introspect and know the truth. That is what your man is telling, or your twin flame is telling. And also he's telling, if you have some doubts, if you have some confusions, if you had some guesswork about me, don't keep on sitting and thinking and thinking and thinking. Instead of all these things, just ask me, what is it, what has actually happened, what is going on, what is the actual truth, so that you will come to know this is what has happened, this is why this has happened. Okay, so you can come to a conclusion and clarity instead of sitting and worrying, bothering, or keeping on being in the confusion and keeping on overthinking. That is the first message, Ace of Swords. Second message is Two of Cups. Two of Cups, your person is telling, yeah, you are the person in my heart space. You are my dream person. I confirmed that you are my dream person. I'm able to recognize the person whom I have within my heart, and you are exact same persons. There is no difference. So by now, your twin flame knows that you are their the ultimate one. You are their twin flame, and they're so happy about that. Okay, and then Eight of Cups. Your person is telling, your twin flame is telling that I am walking away from all the connections and situations and people which is not serving my highest good. Okay, so before this they were socially conditioned, and they were so scared, like they were always hesitant how to break the social conditioning and come out of the clutches. And even though my family situation is draining me out, how I can come out of it, all these things they were always hesitant. But now it is high time they broke all those crutches. They came out of the social conditioning and they walked away from what all didn't serve their highest good, and walked away from what all is draining their energy. So they are keeping you informed about all that also. They are giving you message that yes, I walked away, okay, from the situations which is draining me, not from you. Okay, so this is Eight of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles is like your twin is informing you that he's very busy with the work lately, and he's like the energy and time he is investing is like undeviated focus and concentration in his work. Okay, the field he is working now, the same field, so many people are working, so many people are day by day introducing new products, launching new products. So your person wants to be very unique, very specific, very innovative, very creative. And there is so much of demand also, there is so much of need with the people for this product. And they are like, when the same products itself, there are so much of available, so many. See, you want a solution, and that solution itself is available so much in the market. So what difference does your product stand out? So they are giving that in a very unique way and creative way and innovative way, so that it stands out in the market and sells well. So for this, they are investing their time and energy without any deviation. So they are very busy in the work. So they are telling, give me my time and space. I need to work out. And once I finish, I myself will come back to you. That is what they are telling. And this is Tower Card. Yeah, now they are also keeping you informed that uh, my thought conflicts was because my mind wanted to live something, my mind wanted to live my deep desires, my brain never allowed to live my deep desires in reality. Okay, so that created thought conflict always. But now my brain's core belief system was because of social conditionings. So now I broke all the social conditionings, and I raise above the clutches of social conditionings, and I know all the eternal truths now, how universe works and how I can work along with the universe to co-create my dreams, all that. So now I built my core belief system with eternal truths. So that is what is this tower energy. So boom, all your social conditioning belief system is gone ground to ground. That is why that dust is flying. Okay, and after that space is created, now again your belief system is being built with the eternal truths. Okay, this is all the message your masculine or your twin flame is conveying to you. Okay, see, even in this card, last card is eight of cups, eight of cups. So there is a strong energy of he's walking away from things which is not serving his highest good. Okay, so what is the action your twin flame is going to take towards you? What is your twin flame going to take steps in marching forwards towards you? Oh my god, in Tamil reading also this card came first card. What are the steps your twin flame is going to take to come towards you? What are the steps your twin flame is going to take to come towards you? What are the steps your twin flame is going to take to come towards you? Oh, Eight of Cups showed in the reading also. What are the steps your twin flame is going to take to march forward towards you? What are the steps your twin flame is taking to come towards you? What are the steps your twin flame is taking towards you to march forwards towards you? Wow. Okay, so first card is Ten of Wands. Ten of Wands is like how I feel is um, when you both were in no contact situation, when you both were in no contact zone, your masculine felt very depressive, very lonely, very sad, and so he could not concentrate much on his work. But so he does not wanted to feel sad or worried. So what he did is he himself tied up to his work. Okay, so that time he didn't feel any burdening or any like heaviness, nothing. he was so eagerly working and he wanted to deviate himself from all this hurt. So his only option was work. So his full focus and time, concentration, everything was towards work. So he was happily working, nothing bothered. And now, after realizing so much of truth and after doing so much of inner work and after knowing you are the ultimate one, okay, now they are feeling they want to come towards you and they are feeling this work is tying them so much back up. So they don't want this burden now, they don't want this overload now. So what step they are taking is they are letting go of whatever is burdening them, okay, and they are whatever it is within their control, they are only having that and leaving all the remaining things to let go of them, okay, and they are walking with a free hands and free mind in a very very relaxed way. So this is the first step they are taking to march forwards towards you. This is a good initial good start to begin with, okay. Then eight of cups, obviously whatever is not serving their highest good, and whomever is not serving their highest good, whomever is draining out their energy, and whatever situation drains out their energy, they are literally walking away from that. They are not bothered about any other thing or what people will think or what society will talk. No, they are not bothered. They're literally walking away from all those situations and people. Abandonment, avoiding change in lifestyle, leaving, going, and personal development. Okay, then five of swords. Five of swords is that thought conflicts, what I said here, explained here. So now for that thought conflict, whenever the thought conflict comes now, your twin flame sits with his own or with her own feelings. They feel the feelings and they find the root cause. Where is it conflicting? Why am I upset? What is making me upset? Immediately they do the mirror exercise and they heal the upset, and whatever is not serving for their highest good, they let go of the things, and the upset is coming because of some root cause. Now that root cause is because of lack of love and lack of knowledge. So they are learning to give that love to themselves. They are learning to gain that knowledge by themselves. This is called self dependency and self love. So they are practicing self love. So this is what is the action they are taking through five of swords. Next is king of cups. King of cups card, how I see is like king of cups is a person who is keeping on holding his cup and waiting for the ultimate one to come and fill that cup, but keeping on waiting, he gets frustrated and bugged up. So he feels in that waiting period, he feels very desperate, very depressed, disappointed, very, very sad, lonely, all these things. He could not bear that emptiness within his heart. So he feels very emotionally and mentally sick. So he feels, at least let me be in peace. So in search of his peace of mind, he enters into spirituality. He learns all about self-love, self-care, and all. As he starts to practice all the self-care practices, his cup starts to fill up. Okay, so now this is the ace of cups he's having, and it is filling up. Okay, and now this is an action which is going on sideways. The other side, your person, your twin flame is like he's sitting with himself. He's writing all his wishes. So this is all I want to live, and this is the package I am, who I am. Okay, all these dreams, desires or me. So I want to live all these dreams and desires in reality. That is what he has wrote. And what all wishes he has wrote, he has prioritized them one after the other, one after the other. And he has fixed a target for each thing to make them come into reality. Okay, so this is finality, your dreams into reality, finality. So now you have listed it down and you have organized, you have patternized, you have target set. Okay, now this ace of cups has to come and fill all this nine cups, and that 10th cup also will be there, so it becomes 10 of cups. Okay, so you are marching forward towards 10 of cups. 10 of cups is happy family card. So you at the end, after doing all this accomplishment, after taking all these steps, you want to come into the arms of your twin flame and you want to be in togetherness always. So you are taking steps for that only. Okay guys, this is going to be all messages from your twin flame, and this is going to be your twin flame taking steps towards you to come to you. Okay, So let us meet. This is for January first week. Sorry, first half. So let us meet in next reading. Until then, bye.